National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren County, southeastern Preble County, southern Montgomery County, southwestern Greene County, eastern Butler County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Farmersville to New Miami, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Monroe, Middletown, Mason, Franklin, Miamisburg, West Carrollton, Springboro, downtown Dayton, Lebanon, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Waynesville. In addition, Maude, Hughes, New Lebanon, South Middletown, Poasttown Heights, Germantown, Drexel, and Carlisle are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 between mile markers 27 and 37, Interstate 75 between mile markers 23 and 58. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media, where you can do so safely.